So this is the chickens today. Got the guinea fowl up there for the first time. It's a big adventure up because the others haven't been off the ground yet. And that one's on a roosting stick. It's perfectly happy, it seems. Got a special little grub today. He did. And the others look like they went out. The ones are ready to go to bed. I think that one's a bully one. Has an extra floppy crest, I think. And then got one with little outy wings. And then I got the one with the straight crest. So that one walking is the one with the outy wings. It always has its wings out a little. Don't know why. And then that one over there is the one with the straight crest. It's not flopping. And then this one here is a bully one. Has a little floppy crest. It likes to peck at the other birds. Look at that, it wants to peck it right now.